Good day, gentlemen and ladies. I received a very nice envelope from Chris, and Chris is a YouTube channel creator. His channel is Watershed Overlook, and Chris is the one who created that little video. I'm just gonna click on it about this dog looking at my dog, and that was such a very fun video, and he's doing well. I think he's got 2,500 views, and it's very funny to see the puppy dog looking at my two golden, and he's got a great channel. I really like the sense of humor he's got, and he's a very courageous man. He put a post like he was brooming his yard, and he found a rattlesnake. Oh my god! Anyway, so thank you, Chris, for sending me your very nice letter, and I'm going to open it with my famous knife, letter opener. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. There we go. Oh, I need a little sharpening. Alright, so open it. Wow! Hey, look at that, gentlemen! Look at that, a nice aircraft. Whoop! Just so that. Oh yeah, that's a Sabre. Okay, I'm just gonna show you close. It said here, once you have tasted flight, you will ever forever walk the earth with your own eyes turned skyward. For there you have been, and there you will always long to return. So Leonardo da Vinci. And in the back they said the illustration of the front depict of a North American F-86H Sabre. It's got the serial number painted in original marking, and the 386 Fighter Bomber Squadron stationed in Clovis, now Canaan Air Force Base in Clovis, New Mexico from 1954 to 1957. According to his logbook, my dad, Lieutenant Duncan Bevan, flew this jet on at least two occasions. In the 21st of April and May 12, 1955. And by the way, the Royal Canadian Air Force had these Sabre. These Sabre were made in Montreal from Canadair. Back in these, they bought the design, and they built them also. And there's a long story about it, but thank you very, very much, Chris. I'm gonna keep it, that's for sure. And let's see inside now. I know I dropped. Oh. So look at these nice stickers. Very, very nice. Oh, Watershed Overlook, and I love the touch of them. They're very high quality. And you stay there. And I'm just gonna put it like this. I said, Dave, I finally got stickers for my channel, and so I wanted to send some along to you as a small thank you for all the enthusiasm and the job you share with our fellow creators, and how you remain so upbeat and happy. I have to! Happy with a literal mountain of snow in front of your heart should be a lesson for everyone in how to maintain a positive outlook. Yes, my snowbank is still there. I'm going to show it to you. I always enjoy your content and appreciate your supportive comments on my videos, and those are many others. YouTube can be a depressing place, but it's folks like you that make it all worthwhile. All the best, Chris. P.S. As a RCF guy, true you like this card. Yes, Chris, I sincerely like it very, very much, because it's one of my favorite aircraft. That thing had quite a good punch. He's got in the nose, it was I think it was 6.50 caliber machine gun in front, and it was used during the Korean War. There's other thing too about that Sabre, but thank you very much. So let's go please go see Watershed Overlook. I really like his video, and the reason why I'm so positive is it's a great tractor lover channel, community channel, and I mean, we're busy, we are our own work life, and we're doing videos for helping each other, communicating, and that's what I like. I learn a lot of stuff, and I try to pass what I learned too in my life, and be positive. Of course, when one of those guys always leave bad comment, oh well, it's our choice to decide how deep it's gonna affect us. So for me, it's just like a duck. It just goes away. All right, so let's hit my library, my kitchen collection. All right, stick around. Stick around. Today we are the 27th of April. It's currently 2 degrees Celsius. They're calling for light snow, and Ross back in Ontario, south of Ottawa, just made a video about the snowing. So this is my iceberg there. It surely does diminish. The one on the other side is all gone, but there's some more snow left. All right, so let's go to the library. Now I'm going to put his nice card of Chris from Watershed Overlook. From this is the company. It was the 75th anniversary of IRVIN, and since 1912. And IRVIN is the company in Canada who make parachute, drag chute. It make all various type of chutes. So personal ejection. It used to make the ejection suit for the CF5, the North Top for the American version, and they used to make the Saber also. So I'm gonna put his precious stickers and card inside the cup. So I'm just gonna put it there. The reason why I have that cup is I received a course. I've done a course with these good folks. These folks for the Royal Canadian Air Force, they make SKAD. SKAD is a sea kit air droppable. It's a kit made of fiberglass container. I'm gonna put the link in the video, and also the Arctic SKAD. It's the same container, and they have tent inside. The SKAD have 2 10-man life raft, which it can be dropped from the CP-140. So I'm gonna make links in the video so you're interested to see. And I received the course from them back in the 90s when I used to be a life support. All right, so I'm gonna put the nice card, and I really like it. All right, so the card are installed. So I really like this sticker. Like, they're very tough. It's got a dog on it, and like, it's a very nice sticker, very well designed. And thank you again, Chris. And please go see his channel, and all these channel. I mean, 360 Alaskan Life, which is going down south very soon in Florida. There's Hillside Acre, which is both of them. Chris and Richie are Christy and Richie are so busy. Like, I lift my hat. They're also Dave from Pale Horse Outdoor, and back in Washington State, south of British Columbia. Of course, Chris from Watershed Overlook. Did I forget something here? Now they have Gator, my Gator World. Also Seb La Bombe, he's got, remember, with the yellow stripe. There's also Grand Prix Workshop, and also Luke from Green is my new orange. No, is it? I always forget. Oh la 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 la! I forget what it is. I forget. Damn it. Orange is, yeah, orange is my new green. Sorry, Luke, I'm a lunatic today. And of course, Joseph from Garden Tractor Boy. GP, well, everybody knows him, and he's still doing outstanding videos, and with the partnership with the guy who make wood splitters. And the head from my Cluttered Garage, and his live stream on Monday are outstanding, and his videos also. So all these good folks are great YouTube channel creator, and I will receive them, and don't be shy to send it to me, and you'll be in my display, my kitchen cabinet. All right. So again, thank you very much, Chris. Please do take care of yourself. All right. So cheers. Bye bye.